Hello everyone. Today we discuss about internal combustion engine. Okay. First, we study the heat engine. Okay. What is heat engine? A heat engine is a device which transforms the chemical energy of fuel into thermal energy and use this energy to produce mechanical work. Okay. This for example, thermal power station and internal combustion engine. Okay. Then classification of heat engine. Okay. It is classified into two types. Heat engine classified into two types. First is your external combustion engine. Okay. What is external combustion engine? First, external combustion engine are those in which combustion take place outside the engine. The products of combustion of air and fuel transfer heat to a second fluid which is the working fluid of the cycle. Example, steam engine. Okay. Then another types, two types. Then another types is your internal combustion engine. Okay. What is internal combustion engine? In this engine, the combustion of air fuel mixture take place inside the cylinder are used as direct motive force. Okay. Example, petrol engine and diesel engine. Okay. External combustion engine example is your steam engine, and internal combustion engine example is your petrol engine and diesel engine. Okay. Then limitation of external combustion engine. Okay. First point is your a steam engine is huge and heavy due to its big boiler and furnace. Okay. The second point is your it operates on low efficiency. Okay. It's low efficiency, that means 20%. Okay. Then this steam engine are unsafe to use because its boiler can burst due to steam pressure. Okay. Then fourth point is your due to this limitation of the AC engine are replaced by IC engine. Okay. This is your diagram of AC engine and that is your IC engine. Okay. Then classification of internal combustion engine. Okay. First, according to types of ignition. Okay. This is your according to types of ignition under this is first point is your spark ignition engine. Okay. Then next compression engine. Okay. Then according to fuel used. Okay. First is your according to type of ignition. Third is your according to fuel used. Okay. According to fuel used, first point is your petrol engine. Second is your diesel engine. Third is your gas engine. Okay. Then third point is your according to number of strokes. Okay. First is your according to type of ignition. Second is your according to fuel use. Third is your according to number of stroke. Okay. How many stroke? First is your first point is your 4-stroke engine. Second point is your 2-stroke engine. Generally 2-stroke. Okay. And 4-stroke. Then components of SI engine. Okay. What is SI engine? And its components. Okay. First is your component is cylinder. First component is your cylinder. Cylinder, it is the main part engine where piston reciprocate. Okay. And second component is your cylinder head. Okay. The top end of the cylinder is covered by the cylinder head. Okay. Over which inlet, exhaust valve and spark plug are mounted. Okay. First component is your cylinder. Second component is your cylinder head. Okay. Next, third component is your piston. Okay. Piston, it is a cylindrical component fitted inside the cylinder. Okay. It transmits the force exerted by burning of change to the connecting rod. Okay. Cylinder, cylinder head and piston. Three components are complete. Next, piston ring. Okay. It is fitted into the slot around the piston and provide the tight seal between piston and cylinder. Okay. Fourth point, complete piston ring. So, fifth point is your piston. Fifth component is your piston pin. Okay. It connects the piston to connecting rod. Okay. And sixth component is your connecting rod. What is connecting rod? It converts reciprocating motion of the piston into the rotary motion of a crankshaft. Okay. Then next component is your crank or crankshaft. Okay. The crankshaft is responsible for the proper operation of the engine and converting a linear motion to a rotational motion. Okay. Then inlet and exhaust valve component. Inlet valve is used to regulate the charge into the cylinder and exhaust valve is used. Okay. Then next component is your spark plug. Okay. It helps to initiate the combustion process in SI engine. Okay. Components of this is the components of SI engine. Okay. This is your diagram. Main parts of IC cylinder. Second component is your cylinder head. Third component is your piston. Fourth component is your piston ring. Okay. Fifth component is your piston pin. Okay. And sixth component is your connecting rod. Okay. Seventh, crank and crankshaft. Okay. Then eighth component is your inlet valve. Okay. And exhaust valve. Okay. Then 9 component is your spark plug, and last component is your fuel injection pump. Okay. This is your full diagram of component of SI engine. Okay. Next, what is 4-stroke of SI engine? Okay. Then first point is your the cycle of operation is completed in 4-stroke of the piston and 2 revolution of the crankshaft. Okay. Then second point is your there are 5 events to be completed, that is suction, compression, combustion, expansion and exhaust. Okay. 4 events. Okay. First is your suction process, second is your compression process, third is your combustion process, fourth is your expansion process, and this is your exhaust. Last process is your exhaust process. Okay. Total 5 events. Okay. Next point is your each stroke is 180-degree crankshaft revolution, and hence 4-stroke is 720-degree crankshaft revolution. Okay. Next point is your cycle of operation. Okay. First point is your suction or intake stroke. Next point is your compression stroke. Okay. Third point is your expansion or power stroke. Okay. And fourth is your exhaust stroke. Okay. This is your 4-stroke of SI engine. Okay. Next, suction or intake stroke. Okay. First point is your suction stroke starts when the piston is at TDC, means top dead center, and able to move in downward direction. Okay. Next, at this time the inlet valve is open and exhaust valve is closed. Okay. This is the suction process only. Okay. Due to the suction created by the motion of piston towards BDC, means bottom dead center, the charge consisting of air fuel mixture is drawn into the cylinder. Okay. Next point is your when piston reaches the bottom dead center, the suction stroke ends and the inlet valve is closed. Okay. This is your suction or intake stroke, suction stroke. Okay. Then next is your compression stroke. Okay. Compression stroke under first point, the charge taken into the cylinder during this suction stroke is compressed by the return stroke of a piston. Okay. Next, during this stroke, inlet and exhaust valve are in closed position. This is your compression stroke diagram. Okay. Third point is your the mixture which fills the entire cylinder volume is now compressed. Okay. And fourth point is your at the end of the compression stroke, the mixture is ignited. Okay, with the help of a spark plug. The help of a spark plug located on the cylinder head. Hence, burning takes place instantaneously. Okay. Then here the chemical energy of fuel is converted into heat energy, producing temperature rise of about 2000 degree. Okay, this is your compression process diagram. Okay, next expansion stroke or power stroke. This is your third. Okay, event. Total 5 events. They are third expansion stroke or power stroke. Okay. The first point is the high pressure burnt gases force the piston towards the BDC, means bottom dead center. Okay, this is your expansion stroke or power stroke diagram. Okay, the second point is during this stroke, inlet and exit valve are in closed position. Okay, third point is the power is produced during this stroke only, and this is the stroke which produced the work output. Okay, this is the third point. This is the fourth point is both pressure and temperature decreases during expansion. Okay, this is your expansion stroke. Okay, next exit stroke. Okay, this is your 4 number event. Okay, this is your exit stroke diagram. Okay, first point is your exit stroke. At the end of expansion stroke, the exit valve open and the inlet valve remain closed. Okay. Then second point is the piston starts moving from bottom dead center to top dead center and sweeps the burn gases out from the cylinder almost at atmospheric pressure. Okay. Third point is your exhaust stroke. The exhaust valve close when the piston reaches the top dead center. Okay. Next, this is your application of a 4-stroke SI engine. Okay. The internal combustion engine